How to fix WeChat network problem. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily fix if you are facing unusual network problems on your WeChat application. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's begin. So the very first thing you want to do is obviously check your network connection. So if you don't have a stable network connection, then that might be the reason why you're facing the problem. In order to check that, you can use any other application that uses your internet to see if it is working properly. But if it is working on other apps but not working on WeChat, then that probably means there are some bugs or glitches regarding this app. First thing first, you will have to go ahead and tap on its app info to open up WeChat's app info. Now on your app permissions, make sure all of these permissions are allowed because these are very necessary for the app to run smoothly. So make sure to allow all of these permissions on your phone. After you do that, just go ahead and open up your storage. And from here, you can clear cache. And if there are any unusual bugs or cache files, then it will clear it out. And finally, you just want to head over to battery and make sure that you set it on unrestricted. After doing that, just give your phone a quick restart and make sure to update the app. After that, your problem should be fixed. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video.